Hello everyone, so far we have installed Eclipse IDE, TestNG and Jenkins. Now today we are going to install Selenium. To install Selenium, we have to go in Google and say Selenium and just hit enter, and if we say web drive download, so it will take on more appropriate page. So here we see Selenium standalone server 3.5.3. So this one is a recent, so I'll just give a click on download. So it will download the jar file. So I have already, so I will just discard it and we'll go in the download directory. So here I can see Selenium server standalone is already downloaded. Now next video we'll see how to add the Selenium jar in our project and to use it. Thank you.